13 programs, one goal: to improve quality of life in European regions. 13 transnational programs are working to improve the quality of life all over Europe, from Nurmes, Finland, to Lisbon, Portugal, and Jaworzno, Poland. Over the past decade, key policy goals have been delivered through a coordinated approach and in cooperation between regions by thousands of projects around Europe.
NNET is helping to develop public-private partnerships, fostering the European research area through transnational cooperations in the field of materials for energy.
NRMAT is a perfect example of excellence in the field of energy.
The Green CIP process allows the regeneration of waste industrial cleaning solutions. This means huge savings and environmental improvement, as well as a reduction of 100% of the pollution.
By recycling cleaning solutions, Green CIP creates large saving of energy and water consumption and also improve productivity of industrial processes.
Proposed project is working to reduce the environmental impact of intra-European freight transportation and improve small and medium enterprises' logistic competitiveness.
Proposed highlights the role that port plays in ensuring the quality of life in the region.
The Atlantox project has highlighted the impact of climate change on seafood safety.
Atlantox has developed 4 new detection methods to monitor the appearance of new biotoxins.
In Arcopol, we are working together to protect coastal communities from accidental maritime pollution.
Arcopol is training personnel to improve our preparedness to fight against coastal pollution from shipping.
Thanks to the tools produced in Arcopol, the regional ability to respond to maritime pollution will be significantly improved.
Duratinet has achieved harmonized methodologies and guidelines on maintenance and repair of structures to get more durable and sustainable transport infrastructure.
Duratinet creates tools to be a live and permanent network to bridge the gap between the academic knowledge and the requirements of administrations managing the structure's maintenance and repair.
Duratinet has created a new cluster called Green and Smart Structural Material to promote the use of environmentally friendly construction materials.
The general objective of Energy City is to reduce energy consumptions and CO2 emissions of towns and cities in Central Europe. We are using a state-of-the-art thermal camera to monitor heat loss from buildings.
Our project Alphaus shows architects, craftsmen and decision makers that traditional alpine architecture can be combined with energy efficiency in a careful way.
Alphaus makes everyone aware that a holistic approach to renovation and the importance of repair helps to continue alpine building culture.
Thanks to the FOX project, we have learned about how to recognize key sources of groundwater contamination and how to eliminate risk both for people and for the environment.
FOX project gives us a chance to reduce the impact of hazardous waste landfill on environment of our city.
The Baltica project has contributed to the development and implementation of climate change adaptation options in close cooperation with local stakeholders.
Our challenge is to meet the climate change target in the housing sector And Build with Care shows that it is technically viable, economically and socially feasible, and it also gives a great opportunity to the industry and to the innovative society at large.
Build with Care is about turning millions of homes from expensive energy-consuming units to modern passive houses in sustainable communities like this model Djurgården.
Within Urban Energy, the City of Rakvere develops solutions for the environmentally friendly redesign of a public space and increased energy efficiency.
Urban Energy promotes the integrated approach in urban development, including energy efficiency interventions in housing.
As a volunteer for DC Noise, I help elderly people to organize the care that they need so they can stay in their homes longer.
In DC Noise, we have found ways to cope with the consequences of demographic change to maintain the quality of life.
Thanks to DC Noise, we have a better insight into the problems which elderly people encounter in their living conditions, and we can help them accordingly.
CIB is a big step towards a senior-friendly city, a city in balance.
The generational work in CIB builds up mutual respect and understanding between generations.
The MARE project is protecting our cultural heritage, and it prevents casualties and damage caused by flooding in our historic harbour area.
The MARE project will develop a high water safety strategy, combining water protection with spatial and disaster management measures.
The MARE project makes the urban areas more attractive and at the same time more resilient to climate change.